Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing in-game menus not working on your PS5. First, place your PS5 on a stable surface so you can work on it easily. Pick up your PS5 controller and press the PS button to confirm it responds. If the PS5 controller does not open the menu, connect it directly to the PS5 with the USB cable. Wait a moment for the PS5 to detect the controller through the wired connection. Try opening an in-game menu again to see if the PS5 responds properly. If the PS5 still ignores inputs, close the game using the PS5 home menu. Restart the game on your PS5 to check if the issue was temporary. If the PS5 game menu is still stuck, press Options on the PS5 controller. Try navigating the PS5 game settings to test if other menus work. If nothing responds, fully shut down your PS5 from the power options. Wait until the PS5 power light turns completely off. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PS5. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 30 seconds to reset the hardware. Plug the PS5 power cable back into the console securely. Turn on your PS5 and load the game again. Try opening the in-game menu to see if the PS5 has reset properly. If the PS5 still won't open menus, close the game and open PS5 settings. Scroll through the PS5 system menus to see if those respond normally. If PS5 system menus respond but in-game menus don't, open the PS5 controller settings. Adjust vibration or trigger settings to refresh the PS5 controller profile. Restart the PS5 one more time to apply controller changes. If the PS5 menu issue continues, update your PS5 system software. Let the PS5 download and install the latest update. After updating, restart the PS5 and test the in-game menu again. If the PS5 still fails, highlight the game tile on your PS5 home screen. Press the Options button on the PS5 controller for more choices. Select Check for Update to update the game on your PS5. Allow the PS5 to install any patches that fix menu problems. Launch the game again on your PS5 to test the results. If the PS5 game still struggles, go back to the PS5 home screen. Highlight the game and choose Delete to remove it from your PS5. Reinstall the game on your PS5 to fix corrupted files. After reinstalling, open the game and test the PS5 game menu. If menus still freeze, power off the PS5 and enter safe mode. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep. Connect the controller to the PS5 using the USB cable. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database on the PS5 Safe Mode menu. Allow the PS5 to rebuild the database completely. Restart the PS5 normally and relaunch your game. Test the in-game menus again on your PS5 for responsiveness. If the PS5 still fails, open PS5 settings and go to Save Data. Delete corrupted saved data files for that game on your PS5. Restart the PS5 and try the menu again in-game. If none of that works, reset the PS5 controller from the back tiny reset hole. Reconnect the controller to your PS5 and test menu navigation. If the PS5 issue persists, consider initializing your PS5 software. Choose Reset PS5, but keep your data to avoid losing files. Restart the PS5 after the reset and load your game again. Your PS5 game menu should now respond properly. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes.